and gentlemen, this is new Rema gearing up for the album. Alright, Rave Roses, super excited for this album. Rema is obviously putting singles out. We've had Calm Down now, we've had Soundgasm, so we're getting a good idea of what to expect on this album. This is yet another single, but this time around he has a feature on it, and then apparently people say this might be his first feature on a single. Like, this is his first single with a feature on it. Cause now that I'm thinking back at it, like, all Rema singles that he has come out have always been solo. They've been solo tracks. This is his first feature. Interesting, man. But anyway, shout out to Tracey. Tracey is I say grime / hip hop act from the UK. He also has drill records too. One of the big names in that scene. And I'm curious what he has put together with Rema, man. Rema, who can also get in his MCing bag too. Okay, he's also an MC, very versatile in that sense. And I'm expecting a rap record, something rappy, something rapidy rap, something drill or trappy. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go. Tracey and Rema with FYN. Let's go.
Straight out of BC, we taking the sound to the world, you see.
Straight out of BC. BC, you mean like Benin City? Is that short for BC? Cause I know I'ma go offline. This is quite subtle. It has a lot of jazzy elements, quite soulful as well. Those really ambient atmospheres. You can hear the bass guitar, the synths, the pads on it. Those are really simple and giving me like jazzy elements, you know. But he's spazzing in some sense on the jazzy element. This is quite far from anything Afrobeats-ish. That I kind of expected is AJ Tracey. So yeah.
Miami Beach chilling with the baddest bitch fucker in the west, and I fly to the south side.
Okay, man, this guy needs to chill. This flex is mad. Man. Miami Beach. Fucker in the west and I in the south side. Like, I don't even know what that means.
Yes, I'm a fresh young nigga. Celebrity crush in my villa.
Oh my goodness. We're about to get in this immediately. Like, I'm thinking Young Thug. Young Thug had that. Was it the cover for? Was it Slime? It reminded me of the Young Thug cover art that had the red lights on it. But anyway, it just reminded me of that. But this is an interesting cut from Rema so far, man. Very slow jams ish. And he's obviously in braggadocio bag, you know what I mean? Just letting you know, that big flex, you know?
Take a basket and I give it to her. Raw. She want it raw.
What? Yo, he has really made it clear where he is. Like, this is not a small boy anymore, man. He has made it very clear to us.
She said, don't stop.
She want it raw.
Lady, you could bet.
Okay, see Bass. Okay, I see it. Okay. I mean, the whole point of this song is to flex, right? It's to paint a picture to show how much of a fly young nigga you are, like a fresh young nigga you are. So you'd expect a lot of luxury brag, like, you know what I mean? And I think AJ is doing just fine, so I'm not expecting to get better with time. 42. Body like 42. Does it mean 4/2? And body like an 8? Because I'm trying to say if he's trying to say the body is like an 8. Is it saying 4/2? Like 4 times 2 is 8?
She's fine. Body like the 42 and she get better with time.
42. Anyway, I'm trying to make sense of that.
Yeah, you're hearing lies if you ain't heard I'm the best. Me and Rema got the remedy to purge your distress.
I like that flow, man. Me and Rema got the flow. Like, me and Rema got the remedy. Cruising in a Bima. It definitely feels like it's an album cut, though. Interesting how it's a single. I saw a tweet, and I kind of agree with it. He's letting us know, basically. He's letting us know what exactly is going to sound like with the album. You know what I mean? He's letting us know what's gonna work and what isn't gonna work. For his, he's just basically painting the picture for us so that we can anticipate something and get a good sense of what is gonna come in the album. super intended to be of a luxurious atmosphere, and you could hear that. You could also see it in the video, obviously from the visual end. Huge mansion, nice cars, flashy models and everything. That was checked off, but I want to point out the production and how it was quite set up to give you that feel as well, that atmosphere of luxury. So you're expecting super jazzy, and when you think super jazzy, you're thinking wealth, you're thinking luxury. Once you're getting those super sharp and groovy bass guitar, so that bass line was very it was very evident. Shout out to KLP for actually sonically trying to depict the luxury around the sentiments of the song, because that was very well done in terms of like letting you know in the beat that this is about flex. It's almost as if you hear a Rick Ross on this, you know what I mean? Rick Ross is about luxury. Those are his raps are very strong for luxury depiction. So I could hear a Rick Ross on this. But yeah, I like that he also called off somebody that seemed quite even much more fitted for this atmosphere. So he saw that in AJ Tracey. And AJ Tracey, I mean, to be honest, like, not too much to speak of with his verse. I thought it was okay. I thought it was calm. It didn't have much shock value to me. It didn't really like stand out as, oh yeah, this was clever. I'm still trying to understand the 42 line about her body. Her body is like a 42 or something. But I'm trying to, like, usually people insinuate that her body shaped like a figure 8, you know. But anyway, I tried to make sense of some of the lines there, but most of it you could make sense of it. But it was super calm, super generic in that approach. So it didn't really excite me from that. But Rema's verse, on the other hand, I thought that was much more exciting. The part where he says she wants to raw. I was like, damn, like this. I mean, just a little bit more charisma, a little bit more shock value to it. Super dynamic as opposed to something that you'd expect already. So yeah, you could see that from Rema, and we kind of got that with that part. And then you see the red room where he's like grinding on a girl, and then saying he wants to mess with her from the bottom to the top. I thought, how does that even logically like pan out, you know, from the bottom to the top? But anyway, I thought it was a okay album cut, because I know this is definitely an album that would have would be super dynamic. I mean, thanks to the versatility of Rema himself. And I also know that there'll be a range of subject matters and atmospheres on the album. So this just feels like one of them. It doesn't really stand out as a single. This is not a single cut. This is definitely something to let the listeners know, Omo, like, this is what you can expect in the album. Don't think it's all Afrobeats, high energy, thumper. Like, he's letting you know that we're about to get something. So he's preparing the ear for us. Wizkid kind of did that with Smile, as to set us up for Made in Lagos. So I mean, and that record wasn't really welcomed wholeheartedly, because it was something out of the ordinary that he has released. And I kind of feel this record feels like that way. It's not a terrible song, but I just feel it wouldn't have the impact, or at least have the momentum that a Rema single would have. I think this is just a disclaimer to say, hey, this album you're about to expect is gonna have a range of sounds, a range of atmospheres. So don't expect all the same old we'll be getting, because you can connect Soundgasm and Calm Down to be like, okay, super like calm, like Afrobeats Afrobeat atmospheres, but it's letting us know with this jazzy influenced hip hop beat that you can expect more. You can expect more from that. So anyway, that was Rema, man. That was Rema with AJ Tracey, Fresh Young Nigga. Okay, FYN, no problem, man. How you guys feeling? You guys are 82% on this one. 82%, yes. It's calm. It's not bad. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream, where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't, okay? That's when you know when we're live. All right, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well. Okay, let's go.